Here's the answer for day one, problem one. Write the exponential with a radical. So here we have an exponential or a power. The numerator of that exponent indicates the power that we're going to use inside of a radical symbol. The denominator of that exponent indicates the index of our radical. So because the denominator is a 2, that indicates a radical with index 2, or a square root. On the inside of the radical, put the 4, and then use the 3 as the exponent on the 4. Because it is a square root, you don't have to put a 2 in the place of the index. Let's do question B in the same way. We're going to make a radical, and it's going to be a 5th root, using the denominator of the exponent as the index. Then inside the radical, put the -3 to the 2nd power, using the numerator of that exponent as the exponent inside there. Next question, write the radical in exponential form. So this is the reverse process. We have a 5, and it's going to have an exponent that is a fraction. Now, where in that fraction do you put the 3, and where do you put the 2? The 2 becomes the numerator, the 3 becomes the denominator. The next one involves the same idea. Inside of the radical, we have x, y to the 5th power. And the index of the radical is this 4. That 4 is the denominator in an exponent. So we have 1/4. Now, how come we could not use this 5 in the numerator of a power? Well, the reason is because there's also an x in there. So you couldn't write like xy and then say to the 5/4, because that would make it look like that the letter x also had the 5th power inside there. This doesn't work. So the way that we get around that is by writing it like this.